So this is our home screen at eapl.org. As you can see, we have a little billboard that shows all of the events that are going on. You can click on them and see all of them whenever you want. Programs that are coming up soon. And then on the left over here, you can see all of these subjects. We do have one for teens, which has a bunch of study information, events that we have going on, ELA Teen Book Match, where I give you book recommendations. But for today, we're going to look at our catalog. So this screen is one that you'll be very familiar with. So let's do something like camping. And you'll see it'll start guessing what we want to say, but let's just leave it with good old-fashioned camping. So now we see there's a bunch of materials that we have that have shown up. One thing we can do is this limit by and make sure it has ELA library, or you can look at all member libraries and possibly get a book from a different library. One thing I recommend doing if you want the book right now is this search available now. You click that, it'll narrow down our results to just what's inside the library. And then let's say we want a book. And then let's say we want a juvenile book. You can see it says there's 238. There's 70 adult books. Unknown or unspecified is 25. In teen, there are 10. Let's click on juvenile. And then you can even check reading levels. If that's something that you need to be focusing on right now, you can select your reading level. But then over here is where we can choose fiction or nonfiction, along with novels and short stories. But let's say we want a nonfiction book on camping. There are a lot of other ones that we can do as well. We can select languages, authors, series. We can even do the publication date. So if you need something that's more recent, you can select the year that you need it from. And you can select multiple. So you can do like the past 5 years if you want. It's okay. We've got nonfiction books about camping, which I'm not 100% sure what was the Great Chicago Fire has to do with camping. But here you go. Let's look at Camp Out, the ultimate kid's guide from backyard to the backwoods. So this one, here is where it'll tell you where it's at. So J796.54 brew. Remember on those end panels, it's where it'll tell you where these numbers are. Now, one cool thing, you can text it to your cell phone. We've got a ton of different ones that you can use. And then it'll actually send you a text message with this call number. And I believe if you do find it, yep, it'll tell you where inside the library to look. Now, this might not always be 100% accurate because at the library, we're always changing our collection and shifting things, but it should get you in the general area of that item. And here's where it says it's available. But now let's look at something that maybe isn't available. Or you know what, first, here's where you can click on more subjects. So let's say we wanted to look at more camping in juvenile literature. We can click on here. Click on there again. And it'll give us all of these books. Oh, and look at, here's one of those merit badge series. So, okay, this one actually looks like it's a good one to show you guys. Let's see, copies available at ELA 00, copies available at all member libraries 1 of 1. So this is because we don't have just ELA library selected right now. We're looking at all the libraries that we work with. So this one will give us a bit more information. And all these books will tell you the title, the format, the publisher information, the description. So this book is only 96 pages. There are illustrations inside the book. 21 centimeters just means how big the book is. Gives you a summary of planning and carrying out a successful camping trip. Includes techniques for pitching a tent, laying a fire, safety, and cooking. So this is part of the Boy Scouts of America book. So we can take a look at this one. So there's no items available locally, but let's click here to see the items at other libraries. So this one's actually at Lake Villa District Library, but you can still text it, but you can't see it on the map because that's something that we've done here. But let's say we want to hold this book. Place a hold is up here on the right. We also have an add to my list. So if you want to create a list of books, you can curate your own list. So you can add a bunch of camping books to your list, especially that's good if you check out books or, you know, don't want to right this second, but don't want to forget which book you saw. So let's do a place hold. So it's going to, first of all, because of COVID, you may experience a delay for holds placed outside the Ellet Area Public Library District collection. So keep that in mind if there's something you need immediately, just look for books that are inside our collection. But you'll need to log in. Okay, so now if I always use this pickup location, I can select that. You can also choose other libraries if you would like. Like right now, we're only having pickups through the drive-up window, but that I believe will be automatically changed when you do that. And then once you want that book, you'll do submit request, which I'll do that. So it's gonna remind me again that there may be delays, and then I'll get here of my request has been placed. Now I can go check my list of requests under my account information. You can see I've got 27 items checked out right now. Let's see. So this one I'm actually going to cancel selected. So let's say there's a book that you end up finding that fits better that we have in our collection at ELA, and you don't need to request it from another library. You can just cancel selected. And that's it. Submit request. And now I can see that I just have this order canceled. Now to get back over, you can click on here again. I recommend playing around with it. You can see stuff that's just new books if you want to. You can look at items that are on order that we have ordered that aren't even in the collection yet. So that's kind of cool. But let's say, let's look up. Look up canning. Maybe you want to do something with some fruit that you maybe picked. I know a lot of people went to the apple orchards this year. Let's look up canning and preserving. So, okay. See, saving the season, a cook's guide to home canning, pickling, and preserving. Once again, I always do the available now because chances are if I'm looking at this, I want it right now. Let's see. Ooh, looks like we have an electronic resource. So, okay, I see. It's just going to be a DVD. Easy step-by-step instructional guide to putting up the harvest. So maybe you want a DVD for some activity that you want to do. And this one, once again, it gives you the content. So it tells you boiling water canning, boiling water basics, the alchemy of jam, raspberry jam, strawberry jam. So it gives you a bunch of information on what is in this item before you even grab it. So you can kind of see like, oh, okay, I wanted to make strawberry jam because we went to strawberry picking this year. You can see that it has something directly on that topic. And then, like I said, you can find it and be able to see exactly where that is. So I recommend playing around with it. You can search by author too, if you happen to know the author of your book, but you can also create lists like I was telling you. So this will store my personal data now. The library respects privacy and will not disclose my circulation history. So let's say, I'm just going to call it searching for now. So those are my searching books now. So once I add books into here, I'll be able to see all of the books I have saved. But yeah, you can do browse, you can do exact. Let's suppose advanced give us. This one would do, like, let's say camping, and any field. You can tell it if you want it to be an author. So like, let's do Boy Scouts of America, automatically pops up. Go. So these are only going to show me camping books by the Boy Scouts of America. So we also have it in Spanish, it looks like. And then here's another one for pioneering. So these, if you do advanced search, if you need to have both of those things, if it can only be the Boy Scouts of America is the author, that will help you a lot. But then you can also just search by Boy Scouts juvenile, and this will show you all of the scouting books that we have, the merit badge series that I was showing you earlier. So if you don't want to just browse, you can always search on here. So hopefully this helps you out with your assignments. Hopefully you feel more comfortable navigating our catalog. And hopefully if you have any questions ever about anything, feel free to either ask at the desk. You can always email me. Yeah, if you need anything, we're here to help you. It's not supposed to be a scary place, but hopefully this helps you kind of learn how to do some searching on your own. Thank you.